Hi everybody, my name is Danielle Jenko and I'm the president of World Stars USA and the event producer here at the 28th Annual World Championships of Performing Arts. And I am just so proud of Kitkupar because not only did he have to endure the fact that WCOPA actually was postponed unfortunately last year due to global events that were going on in the world, he stayed resilient, he stayed communicative through email, and made sure that he was going to come here in 2026 to Las Vegas, Nevada. He navigated all the changes. Originally, you were supposed to go to LA, right?
Yeah.
And then we changed to Las Vegas. And you and your team and your family who all support you were so just diligent and responsive in making sure that there was nothing that was going to stop him from coming here. And what's so beautiful is that not only is he did Kitkupar make the final show, as you can see, he also received 3 gold medals and 2 bronze, okay? But he's here representing India by himself.
Yeah.
He has no national director right now. So if there's anybody out there in India who's looking to become a national director, please let us know. But Kitkupar, I am just so proud of you because I do know actually what that feels like to go somewhere and to a place where you don't know anybody and nobody knows who you are and you don't have necessarily a leader to guide you. You're doing it all on your own and how intimidating that can feel, right? But you did it, man, and you made it all the way to the finals.
Yeah.
He went through preliminaries, then he got to semifinals, and then scored and was selected by our judges as a final show pick and did a phenomenal job. And I could not be more proud of you, sir. And you deserve everything that you have received here during your time in Nevada, and I hope you have safe travels home. And truly, I'll be honest, I hope to see him again next year in 2027 and more representatives of India as well. Bye.
When the road is long and the sky turns gray, hold on tight, don't lose your way. Every scar becomes alive, guiding hearts through every night. One small step, one faithful dream is stronger than you may seem. Rise again, don't be afraid. Hope is born where prayers are made. Every sunrise brings a brand new start. Love and courage fill your heart. Stand up tall, let your spirit shine. Your story is a gift divine. Keep believing, you'll find your way. The best is yet to come today. So walk in faith, embrace the climb. Your light will shine beyond all time.